Good afternoon. My name is EliCarleton, and I'd like to start us off today by taking us through a story of my past. So when I was 22, I started working at Salesforce as a support engineer for the Marketing Cloud. So working in support, I am right on the line of working with our customers, hands-on, hearing their frustrations, and I grew to be pretty empathetic. I heard what their frustrations were, and their frustrations became mine. Because if I'm not taking their frustrations personally, I'm not able to help them succeed so that we can get past those frustrations and actually solve the problem that they raised to me. So what I did and what I heard was that they were working with consultants who were able to build them great masterpieces of marketing technology that would be able to execute on their campaigns, return great on their investments, and they were able to sign off quickly, met all their deadlines, and now here we are working with support afterwards because the consulting firm had been able to sign off, and now the marketer is left high and dry without knowledge of how to use the system that was built for them. So what I want to do is enable our customers, our marketers, to have sustained success while working with consultants. Here's where we begin identifying what the issue is. Here's where we identify that our issues in the marketing industry. So marketing has moved from paper to pen to a realm of technical skills. Our marketers are required to understand technology to some degree so that they're able to succeed in a MarTech industry. Similar to the story that I had told, marketers seldomly have the technical acumen to maintain solutions that are built for them post-implementation and post-sign-off. Consultancies are great. Consultancies have experts, and marketers respect those consultants as experts. However, we need to make sure that we don't leave our marketers after the implementation has been signed off on. Consultancies are able to build intricate processes that have great returns. However, after the project is signed off on, marketers are off to fend for themselves. So what trends do we see in the marketing industry today? So beyond the obvious of the shift from pen and paper to digital and MarTech, we're able to see that our marketing industry is growing. The economy itself has propelled this growth. Businesses are continuing to achieve higher profits, and as a result, the amount of money available to go towards marketing and advertising budgets has increased. Fortunately for marketing and consulting firms, this has expanded the range of businesses that can afford their services. This also increases the likelihood of an existing customer increasing their investment and their investment in the consulting services specifically. So this has had a cyclical effect. Businesses growth in revenue and have been having growth in revenue by high rates year over year, and as a result, they want to sustain those so that they can continue to look good in the eyes of their investors. We need that stock price to stay where it is or move up, preferably move up. In order to continue this trajectory, businesses must capitalize on their marketing strategies so that they continue to bring in new subscribers and dominate their industry. How are businesses in this era likely to do so? By investing in marketing and management consultancies, firms that will help propel them forward. The marketing industry is forcing a one-to-one shift. We want to see our customers, our subscribers at a one-to-one basis, and this is all through data and automation. If something can have a data point tied to it, we want to see that. So where does this leave marketers? They're very frustrated and have delayed campaigns. The story that I had told initially sets the stage for an unexpected reinitiation of engagement with that consultancy. No one saw this cost coming, but now we're having to pay again to engage our consultants so that we're able to continue to have a strong marketing campaign. This is going to see delays, drop in engagement. No one wants to see fewer subscribers than they had last month, loss of revenue, and then my favorite, an increase in support cases and increased frustration. So what can we do? Marketers can subscribe to sustain success. So our subscription service of technical and solution consultants makes it so that our team is a part of yours. Our persistent maintenance of solutions that we've built for you allows for our marketers to focus on their customers rather than to worry about a highly technical solution that they have not been trained on. We're going to stay assisting you from release to release of the marketing technology that you're using. Things change, and we're going to stay on top of that. We're also offering real-time monitoring of your campaigns as you deploy and schedule those so that we can make sure that they're profitable and run as you expect. Our team has a plethora of heavy hitters. We have mentoring counsel who's been in the industry and is leading one of the highest respected venture capital firms and incubators in the Midwest. We have a rising star project manager who has vast experience with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. We have a product evangelist who is one of the most tenacious and passionate technology individuals I've ever worked with. Our arsenal of technical architects, performance architects, and solution architects have over 50 years experience. So how will we provide a subscription service to our customers? So we're going to separate these into three categories: gold, silver, and bronze. The gold customers will have the largest implementation and the highest complexity. These customers need the most amount of our hours and are going to be charged the highest amount. Silver and bronze cascade down based on medium and small complexity. As a side add-on, we're able to offer professional monitoring so that while campaigns are being deployed, we're staying on top of it. And we know that we know the triggers for what looks like to be an error. We know what to look for so we can stop that, get ahead of it, and then let you know what we were able to solve afterwards. So we won't be waking you up at 2 a.m. in the morning. So how will we be profitable and when will we return that profit? So what we're asking from you today is $500,000 in exchange for common stock in our company. We project that we'll be able to turn a profit within 3 years, and beyond 3 years will be over $1 million in revenue. We've done the research and we have an exit strategy. We know that the common path for a company like ours is either to expand to become more than just a marketing consultancy, to expand our consultant portfolio, but we are really driving towards acquisition. We've done the research of our would-be competitors, and based on the previous acquisitions in our space, we project that we'll be able to get at least $262 million in an acquisition, so over 50 times the investment initially. Thank you very much.